In the midst of this pandemic, allow yourself to take a pause from mundane routine, be inspired, and create something fantastic. Something to remind us to always stay calm and have hope. This painting is called Cotton Candy Dreams. Before we begin, get yourself cozy with a cup of tea or hot chocolate, and don't forget to prepare the materials as so. The first layer of our painting will be the night sky and the sea. Basically, both are a mixture of black, dark blue, and white paint. The sky gradually goes from dark blue at the top to very light blue at the bottom. Add a bit of black into dark blue for the top part of the sky. Clean your brush and gradually blend the darker blue into dark blue into light blue as you move down. For the light blue, mix a small amount of white into blue paint. As for the sea, mix blue with a little red. Entering into the second step, let's pick up some pinkish white color and paint the nearest fluffy clouds. For the rest, paint the white clouds with a mixture of white acrylic paint and enough water. Our third step is to paint the moon and the stars. Drag the brush in a curve across the canvas to make the shape of the crescent moon. Then continue with the bigger brush and start to color with a combination of white and yellow. Remember to complement our night sky by painting some tiny yellow stars or do the splattering technique with white paint. To create a dramatic effect, paint the reflection of the moon and the sky on the surface of the sea using small brush strokes. In this step, we are using softer shades of yellow for the moon's reflections, and the rest are pink, orange, light green, and soft blue strokes. Let's add some shades of orange into the crescent moon to give it more dimension. Now that we're done with the background, it's time to start sketching the outline of the little girl. The girl is sitting on the moon and she is fishing for a star. You can get the brown color we're currently using to sketch by combining yellow, red, and a bit of dark blue. If you're satisfied with your sketch, then it's time to paint by doing some color blocking. Mix white, a bit of yellow, and a bit of red for the skin, brown for the hair, and any color for her baby doll dress. Last step is where we focus on the details. Start by adding darker and lighter shades for shadows and highlights on the girl's dress. I'm adding dark blue into a light green mixture to make the color for shading. As for the facial details, a simple curvy line will do for the eye, then start adding a really simple shape for the side nose, and then a little mouth. We've kept the sketch of this little girl achievable by simplifying each part of it. Lastly, remember to paint the star that the girl is fishing for. Paint it bigger than the rest of the stars above to emphasize it as our main object. Well, I'm all done and I hope you enjoy this session, my friends. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and event updates. Bye!